Because I don't see a lot of videos, but I see a lot of videos that go around the fact of just break and shake. So, yeah, that part. So, basically, what we're gonna do today is just, I have a couple of grain bags here, and they're ready for break and shake, which is around 30% colonization. And so I'm just gonna do that with y'all. Bare hands. Make sure to get you some gloves. This is alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. I wrote it backwards, leave me alone, don't care. So we're gonna go ahead and ISO our hands. Fun fact, if you just leave the ISO on your hands, right? In which I've never had any problems with it, none of that. If you just leave the ISO on your hands and then put the glove on, it's so much more easier. I don't know if I'm the only one that has that issue in the mycology field, but getting the gloves on, I got big hands, it's a hassle sometimes. Bam. Put the gloves on. Try to adjust the camera here for y'all. Here we go. Got the gloves on. Spray the gloves. Usually, I just leave them wet. ISO is gonna fight any bacteria that's not supposed to be here. So, take whatever you got, paper towels, tissues, whatever you got, and you want to spray the area you work. Sterile tech is gonna be a big tech you guys have to work on if you're gonna be on, in mycology. So just being clean. I'm gonna spray the inside of this sterilite tub. This is a 16-quart sterilite tub. I'm gonna spray the inside with alcohol, and we're gonna operate in there. So, we're gonna go ahead and grab the TF9 first. I'm gonna do TF9 first. Make sure we grab my labeling. Oh, okay, we're just gonna leave that there. Do it like this. Put it on the side right here. As you can see, which I'm gonna, that is some healthy growth. Go ahead and pick you guys to show you. It's around, can't see it too much, but for Uncle Ben's tech, that's around 30%, what I like to call colonization. What we're gonna do is basically, now, just break up colonized mycelium. Don't be afraid to break it up. Do not be afraid to break it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Do whatever you can to get that mycelium on the bottom here to spread out. Don't rip the bag, obviously. And what I like to do is kind of sink all the rice back down to the bottom. Yeah, like this. What I do is pinch to get all that rice down there. Should space out the bottom like this. Better lighting for you guys. Space out the bottom like that.
So the reason for the break and shake is just to create more inoculation points. I yap a whole bunch on this video, so that's the reason why there's a lot of cuts, but enjoy.
This is how it should look. Got the mycelium broken up right there. SV10. We have SV10. It's upside down, but I'm hoping to God you can read. I'm really hoping to God you can read. Upside down. Because, you know, I'm not flipping it. That's good ass growth right there. Probably can't see because of the lighting's being a motherfucker, but that's a lot of growth. So, go ahead. Lighting might be too intense, so we're gonna fix that before we hop into the other ones. So what I'm doing here is I'm staining them up. So I'm trying different things with my type. If we're being honest, yeah, these aren't ready. These aren't ready. But I'm trying different things with my tech. See, I'm not like everyone else where they find one thing and they stick to it. Man, listen, liquid culture, swab sets, all that shit is so cheap to me. So what I'm gonna be doing is trying everything the fuck I can and having fun with this. I'm not gonna be finding, oh shit. I'm not gonna be finding one thing and sticking to it. No. That's not what we're doing. At all. That's boring. It's boring. Not boring. Mycology isn't boring. Why do people make it boring? This shit is fun. So you gotta understand, like, Uncle Ben is maybe like a half a pound of rice, maybe. When you do 2-pound grain bags, that shit takes forever to fucking colonize. I'm talking about like, it's almost on week 2 and we see no growth. No growth. Same conditions as all the other bags though. I just genuinely feel like Uncle Ben has a lot of nutrients in it, being that it's for us to eat. So the mycelium loves that shit. They feed off of it. Got y'all. I love y'all. It's been my mycology. I need you guys to hit the follow button. Please like the video. If you guys want to see more videos, please comment. I need you guys to communicate. We try different shit. See, most mycologists out there, they find their niche and they stick with it. My mycology, bro, we try everything. I need you guys to comment what you guys want to see. New methods that you're scared to try. I'll try it. Don't worry. I got the capital. I got the money. I'll try it out for you guys. Whether that be swab sets, whether that be agar plates, whatever it is, I need you guys to comment it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.